Hey everyone, welcome back to SkyTech TV, your number one channel where we empower you with technology. And in today's video, we've got an exciting review for you, the Tecno Pop 8. This budget-friendly device has caught our attention. The phone comes in mystery white, a penglow gold, magic skin, and gravity black. One I'm holding is pastry white. The phone feels smooth on the back and gives you a touch of class when holding it. So let's dive into details and see if it's worth your hard-earned cash. Starting with the display, the Tecno Pop 8 sports a generous 6.6-inch IPS LCD screen with a resolution of 720 by 1612 pixel resolution and 480 nits peak brightness. It also has an AI brightness dimming and eye protection mode that helps minimize eye fatigue. The IPS technology ensures decent color reproduction and wide viewing angle, making it great for everyday tasks like browsing, video streaming, and casual gaming. Under the hood, the Tecno Pop 8 is powered by octa-core Unisoc T606 12nm processor. While it may not be a powerhouse, it handles everyday tasks with ease, from making calls and sending text to use social media and browsing the web. The Unisoc T606 ensures a smooth and lag-free user experience for most activities. Now, let's talk about the memory. The Tecno Pop 8 offers a flexibility with three configurations: 3GB RAM with 64GB storage, 4GB RAM with 64GB storage, or 4GB RAM with 128GB internal storage. This gives you option based on your storage needs, and you can expand it up to 64GB using a micro SD card for even more space. Moving on to the camera setup, the Tecno Pop 8 features a dual-lens rear camera system. The 13-megapixel main sensor captures decent photos in well-lit condition, while the QVGA secondary sensor enhances portrait shots with a blurred background effect. On the front, there is an 8-megapixel camera for selfies and video calls, with added features like portrait mode and beauty mode for that extra touch. Now let's talk about one of the most critical aspects: battery life. With a hefty 5000 mAh battery, the Tecno Pop 8 ensures you can go a full day or even two under moderate usage. This means that you can stay connected and entertained without constantly worrying about finding a power outlet. The phone also has a 10 watts fast charging, so this means that you don't have to stay for a long time without getting a full charge. The advantages of this phone is that it has a 5mm jack, supports FM radio, side-mounted fingerprint, it has a scanner, it has a micro USB, it has a massive battery that supports fast charging, it has a stereo dual speakers surrounded by DTS 400% big volume. It has an extendable RAM and additional memory, and it's very affordable. On the disadvantages is that it is not good enough for high-end gaming, not suitable for multitasking, no display glass protection, low camera resolution, low display resolution. So, is the Tecno Pop 8 the right choice for you? It offers a solid display, decent performance, versatile storage option, and an impressive battery life, all at a budget-friendly price. If you are in the market for a reliable budget smartphone, the Tecno Pop 8 might just be the one for you. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Until next time, this is SkyTech TV. Bye.